Well, hello there and welcome to another training nugget. In this video, I'll be showing you on how to record a Loom Camera Only video. So let's get started. Well, there are many instances that may want you just to record the camera that you're using instead of the screen on your computer. Loom has the capability to allow you record just your video but not the screen. To make that possible, I'll navigate into my Loom account. If you don't have one, you can navigate to loom.com to sign up for your Loom account. Make sure to install either your Chrome extension or the desktop application, depending on the type of gadget that you are using. To record a video only using Loom, I'll navigate into my Chrome Loom extension. It happens to be at the top section here. Once the extension loads, you can tell that I have some settings that I can have on my Loom. First is the camera option. I can decide to select the full screen option, window option, current tab option, and camera only option. By selecting camera only option, you can tell at the bottom left location my camera is on and you can see my video appearing. I can decide to activate the microphone depending if I want the microphone to be on or off. Change the default microphone, then I can do that from this section. Notice that I also have the ability to change my camera. If I have multiple cameras connected to my computer, I can choose from this section. Once I feel this is correct, I'll activate my microphone and I'll click on Start Recording. The Start Recording option will give a countdown and now you are live recording on Loom. I can also change the background of my recording options to any other that I feel is comfortable with me. Any color that I choose will definitely be included in there. I can even choose to have a frame, which, well, looks more sassy. I can add some text options using the text layer option and also the pre-designed options that are available on Loom. This makes your video more creative, more intuitive, as Loom gives you the power to make the impossible possible. Some interesting design templates that you can use in Loom are incorporated inside the Loom template option. If I would like to have the congratulations or the breaking news option, then that is found from clicking on the breaking news option. Notice how nice the text can be shown, and I can also click to add more text into that Loom background. Well, if you're struggling to record Loom videos just to show video, then I hope this video has been very informative. Don't forget to hit on the subscribe button below, as I'll see you in the next nuggets.